Hi there, little friends. My name is Sally, and oh boy, do I have a story to tell you. I went to the ballpark today, and it was the best day ever. When we got there, the sun was shining so bright, and the grass was so green, greener than the broccoli on my plate. I wore my favorite red cap, just like the players do. We found our seats. They were so close to the field, I could almost touch it. I sat between Mommy and Daddy, and they bought me a big fluffy thing called cotton candy. It was pink and so yummy. It melted in my mouth like magic clouds. Then, the game started. Everyone cheered so loud. The players ran super fast and threw the ball so high. I tried to count how many times they hit the ball, but I can only count to 10, so I got a little mixed up. Oh! And then something amazing happened. A player hit the ball so hard it flew right over our heads. Daddy called it a home run. Everyone stood up and cheered. I jumped up and down and clapped my hands until they were red. During the middle of the game, everyone stood up to stretch. And guess what? They played my favorite song. I danced and wiggled, and Mommy danced with me. It was so silly and fun. When the game was over, I was so tired but so happy. On the way home, I told Mommy and Daddy about all my favorite parts. I can't wait to go back to the ballpark again. You know what, friends? Sometimes the best days are when you try new things and spend time with people you love. Maybe you'll have a super day at the ballpark too someday. Now, I think it's time for a nap. All that fun made me sleepy. Bye-bye, little friends.